Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative cover for a pillow that is created using crochet techniques. It involves stitching together yarn or thread in various patterns and designs to make a cozy textured cover that fits over a pillow inside. Crochet pillow covers can feature a range of styles, from simple and minimalistic designs to more intricate patterns like granny skirts, floral motifs, or lacy finishes. These covers add a handmade personal touch to home decor and can be customized in different colors, sizes, and patterns to match any interior style, including farmhouse, vintage, or shabby chic. Here are some tips for creating a crochet pillow cover. First, choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that matches the look and feel you want for your pillow cover. For a cozy and warm look, opt for thicker yarns like wool or acrylic. For a more delicate and airy look, choose lighter yarns like cotton or linen. Pick a suitable pattern. Decide on a pattern that complements your home decor. Simple patterns like single crochet or double crochet stitches work well for a minimalist look, while more intricate patterns like granny skirts, bubble stitches, or lacy designs add texture and interest. Select complementary colors. Choose colors that coordinate with your room's color scheme. Consider using neutral tones for a classic or farmhouse style, or vibrant hues for a more eclectic look. Mature the pillow inside. Mature your pillow inside accurately before you start crocheting. The cover should be slightly smaller than the pillow to ensure a snug fit. Typically subtract around 1 by 2 inches from both the width and height for the pillow measurements. Use a sturdy stitch for durability. For a cover that will withstand frequent use, choose a tight and sturdy stitch like the single crochet stitch. This will help prevent stressing and wear over time. Add decorative elements. Incorporate decorative details like patterns, tassels, or fringe to enhance the style for the pillow cover. You can also use different stitch combinations or add motifs such as flowers, stars, or geometric shapes. Create a removable cover. Design your crochet pillow cover to be removable for easy washing. You can do this by adding buttons, a zipper, or a fold-over flap to one side of the cover. Mix and match textures. Combine different crochet techniques and yarn types to create a unique textures. For instance, mix a smooth, dense stitch with a looser, open work stitch to create contrast. Consider the season. Create different crochet pillow covers for various seasons. Lighter, airy patterns and pastel colors are great for spring and summer, while chunky, cozy patterns and warm colors are perfect for fall and winter. Block your cover. Once your pillow cover is complete, block it to even out the stitches and give it a polished look. Simply dampen the cover, shape it to the desired dimensions, and let it dry flat. Plan for stress. Consider the crochet fabric and stress over time, especially with loose stitches or certain yarn types. To minimize stressing, use a tighter stitch or reinforce the edge with a single crochet or slip stitch border. Test your gauze. Crochet a small swatch before starting the full project to check your gauze. This will ensure that your finished pillow cover will fit the pillow inside properly. Adjust your hook size if needed to match the required gauze. Try different shapes. Don't limit yourself to square or rectangular pillow covers. Experiment with circular, hexagonal, or other shapes to add a unique flair to your decor. Incorporate texture stitches. Use texture stitches like popcorn puff or waffle stitch to add dimension and interest to your pillow cover. These stitches not only enhance the look but also add a tactile quality. Layer with fabric. Combine crochet with fabric for a mixed material pillow cover. Crochet the neck or openwork front panel and sew it onto a fabric back panel for a stylish contrast. Create a two-tone design. For a modern look, consider creating a two-tone design. Crochet the front in one color or pattern and the back in a different color or stitch. This reversible design gives you two looks in one. Experiment with gradient yarns. Use ombre or gradient yarns to create a beautiful color transition effect across your pillow cover. This can add depth and visual interest without needing to change colors manually. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.